guys, it's your girl Jen Taylor aka Gen T, or welcome back to my channel. As you guys know, I audition for lots of reality shows. I love reality TV. I've auditioned for The Bachelor, Survivor, Big Brother, Celebrity Big Brother, MasterChef, The Block, The Amazing Race, Love Island, Are You the One, Geordie Shore, Jersey Shore, Australia's Next Top Model, The Price is Right, Wife Swap, Farmer Wants a Wife, Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, Millionaire Hot Seat, Shark Tank, My Kitchen Rules, House Rules, Australia's Got Talent, Real Housewives of Melbourne, Real Housewives of Sydney, The Celebrity Apprentice, and Zumbo's Just Desserts. I just wanted to, you know, go on The Voice and have a really good time. So I did not get through the first round of casting, hence why the show is completely rigged and a complete joke, because my audition tape and my application was probably one of the best that they'd ever seen, I would assume, but for whatever reason I didn't get in. So I did ask them for some feedback and sort of use my connections and things like that, and I did end up getting an email. Dear Genevieve Taylor, after your incessant demands for feedback on your audition tape for this year's season of The Voice, which I reiterate is not a requirement of the producers or judges in the preliminary round of casting, we have decided to provide you with this unprecedented feedback in exchange for you to stop hassling our members of staff. Stop is in capital letters. Stop loitering in the car park of Channel 9 studios and stop calling in bomb threats to our officers. I don't think they know that that was me, but I don't know how they can prove that. But anyway, they've broken down to 3 parts for me. So 1, application material. You wrote Gen T in first name, and in occupation you wrote Google me. The rest of the written application was blank. Yeah, because if you Google me, then you don't, what other questions do I need to answer? 2, personality. Your tape showed a lack of self-awareness and negative attitude towards the show, producers, judges, and previous contestants. An unacceptable level of arrogance that shone a negative light on you. Well, my lighting was perfect, so I don't really know what that's in reference to. 3, song choice. Your strange decision to perform a self-devised song was entirely bizarre. The 56-minute fully improvised piece was not only outrageously outside the asked for parameters of a 3 to 5 minute song, but 36 minutes was various animal sounds. Another 12 minutes included highly offensive rap, and the parts you were singing were just bad. Never contact us again. Any attempt to contact us will result in legal action, blah, blah, blah. Regards, Lauren Benicio, producer of The Voice. So, to sum up, it's completely rigged. They clearly didn't want someone so talented getting through, because then there would be no sense of like competition between like the rest of the contestants, and I would have just like shone through and been like a winner from the start, and then no one would keep watching. So I think that's why they kind of get like half-baked to like not very good people on every year, so that like, I don't know, their standards a bit lower, and then like regular normies are like sitting at home being like, I could be on that show, you know what I mean? So it's all rigged, like it's all complete BS, and now you guys know I've totally exposed The Voice. So as for their specific feedback about my audition tape, I don't know what they were watching because it was absolutely flawless. So I'm actually gonna present you my audition tape and you can make up your own mind about it. So I have cut it down for you. It's like more like a little highlights package, just showcasing the really most amazing bits of the tape. So without further ado, I hope you enjoy. It's me, Gen T, and I will be the winner of The Voice. I just want to say to the judges, to the other contestants, you're all pieces of crap who don't deserve to even live in a house or have shoes on your feet. Oh, the land of the brave. I have tried to contact the producers of The Voice several times to say just let me go through straight to the live shows. And do you know what they told me? Let me told me I need to send in this ridiculous audition tape and submit an application. And I hate you, and I hate your school that you went to, burnt it down, you sad, pathetic TV show that no one even watches and no one even cares about. I don't care where your kids go to school. I'm gonna find the school, I'm gonna burn it down because you're a bitch. I am a superstar. I deserve it. I hate your dog and I hate your kids and I hate the school that your kids go to and I hate the principal there. She's a she told me to get off school grounds when I tried to go there because she's a piece of shit. Understand me. Thank you so much for your consideration. I've been Genevieve Taylor, aka Gen T. I hope you enjoyed my audition. Thank you.